DNA Lady provides personal DNA testing for paternity, immigration, forensic, ancestry, and medical purposes. We are a local community-based business but operate throughout the tri-state area. One paternity test we offer at the DNA Lady is the Trio Paternity Test. This is a standard paternity test involving the child, mother, and alleged father. Only one mother, one child, and one alleged father need to be tested. The turnaround time is 3 to 5 business days from receipt of all samples. The mother's participation is encouraged because we can identify the DNA she passed along to the child. By process of elimination, the lab can identify the DNA the father has given to the child. The average combined paternity index of a trio is 1 million, while the average CPI of a motherless case is only 10,000. A paternity test provides the strongest case for use in the courts, where the mother's involvement is preferred and sometimes required. The mother's involvement allows her access to the case with questions or concerns, a copy of the paternity results, and a full chain of custody if required. The mother is tested at no additional fee. Another paternity test we offer is a motherless paternity test, where paternity can be determined even when the mother is unwilling or unavailable to be tested. Only one child and one alleged father need to be tested. The turnaround is 3 to 5 business days from receipt of all samples. If the mother is unwilling to be tested but can accompany the child to the collection, request that she provide consent for the minor child. Her signature and consent will provide her with access to the case with questions or concerns, a copy of the paternity results, and a full chain of custody. We can also determine paternity when there are related alleged fathers involved. For example, full brothers, half-brothers, or father and son. Their genetic structure can be similar, and they might share the same DNA markers commonly used in a DNA paternity test, meaning both could test positive as a child's biological father. DNA testing is powerful enough to determine paternity, even if the alleged fathers are related, but you must notify our laboratory of this possibility before the testing begins. If there are 2 or more biologically related alleged fathers, you have 3 options. Option number 1, test all biologically related alleged fathers. Test the child, the mother, and all biologically related alleged fathers at the same time to compare their DNA profiles with the child's DNA profile. There will be an additional charge for each additional alleged father tested. Option 2. Test one alleged father with extended analysis. If only one alleged father is available for paternity testing, we can perform additional testing and statistical analysis to reach a conclusive result. There is an additional testing fee for extended testing and analysis. The turnaround time is 14 working days. Option number 3. Test one alleged father without extended analysis. If you are unable to include the other alleged father in the paternity test, we can also run a standard paternity test. However, there is a possibility of false inclusion. The alleged father will be tested as only a random individual, so the results would include the following statement. The paternity calculation does not take into consideration any biological relatives of the alleged father. If you or anyone you know is interested in having their DNA collected, make sure you use a local and friendly DNA office. Feel free to contact us at 732-632-8830 to schedule an appointment today.